Good morning, Mr. Snowman. How are you feeling today?
Oh, hello, Penny. I'm feeling quite cool, as usual. And you?
I'm splendid. The ice is just the right kind of slippery for sliding.
That sounds delightful. I'd join you if I could, but, no legs.
I've always wondered, doesn't it get lonely standing here all day?
Sometimes, but the children keep me company. They made me, after all.
True, true. Speaking of company, have you seen the seals around?
Yes, they were playing hide and seek among the icebergs earlier.
I missed it. I was busy fishing. Caught a big one today.
Congratulations! By the way, have you heard about the polar bear's birthday party?
I have. I'm supposed to bring the ice cubes. I mean, it's the least I can do.
Ha ha, very fitting. I'm in charge of the decorations. Snowflakes and icicles.
It's going to be a blast. Oh, I almost forgot I brought you a scarf.
For me? How thoughtful. But aren't you worried I'll melt?
Not at all. It's made of special ice fiber. Keeps you cool and stylish.
You always think of everything, Penny. How's the igloo holding up?
It's standing strong. I've added a new room for my snow globe collection.
That's impressive. I'd love to see it, but I'm a bit rooted here.
I'll take pictures for you. Oh, and the auroras have been stunning lately.
I can imagine. The night sky is my television, after all.
Speaking of which, did you catch the shooting star last night?
I did. Made a wish, too. I wished for a sunny day, but not too sunny.
Careful what you wish for, Mr. Snowman. We wouldn't want you to drip away.
Ha! I'll risk it for a glimpse of the sun. It's been cloudy for weeks.
I understand. Hey, do you want to play a game of 20 questions?
Sure. But let's make it winter-themed. I'll start. Am I bigger than a snowball?
Yes, much bigger. Are you made of snow?
Yes, indeed. Do I bring joy to people's hearts?
Absolutely. Are you a snowman?
You got it in two. Your turn, Penny.
All right. Am I smaller than an iceberg?
Yes, you are. Do you waddle when you walk?
Yes, I do. Am I a penguin?
Too easy. Let's make it more challenging next time.
Deal. Oh, look, the seals are back from their game. Wanna watch?
I'd love to. They're quite the entertainers.
They are. And after that, we can practice our riddles.
Perfect. I've been working on some new ones just for the party.
Can't wait to hear them. For now, let's enjoy the show.
And so, the penguin and the snowman spent the day watching the seals, sharing stories, and preparing for the polar bear's birthday party. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the icy landscape, they both agreed it was a day well spent.